Hello everyone, welcome back to Software Codes, and this is Khushbakht. Today we will learn about how to make a simple login UI and some other widgets. So let's start. Let me run the app. This is our app having a simple app bar and a body having no other widget. And what we are gonna do, first of all, we have to import an image in our app. For this, just open your browser. There is a website storyset.com. You can get multiple images from this website. I have already selected one. Just click on download. You can get the image SVG and PNG. We have already worked with PNG, so let me download SVG image. And here we are. For SVG image we have to add the dependency, so open your terminal and type flutter pub add flutter underscore SVG, and that's it. And then you have to open your pub/spec.yaml, and here you can see there is Flutter SVG, and click on pub get, and that's it. Now open your file. We have to import our image, so for this we have to create the directory in our main project with the name of images, and in images we have to create another directory with the name of SVGs, and click here SVGs. Okay, now I will add my image here, but before that open your pub/spec.yaml and come here. There's Flutter and type assets colon, and the spelling of assets is incorrect. Let me correct it, and after that hyphen and images slash, and that's it. Click pub get. And let's check, is there any error? No, there's no error. Now what we are gonna do, we will come to our file and get dependencies, and it's done. Okay, so type SVG picture, it's here, and remove this dot assets and dot asset. Here we will add the path of our image, but before that we have to copy the image into our folder. There it is. Let me give it a name, book, and copy and paste it here in our SVG's directory, and add, and that's it. We are done. Now we will add the path images backslash and SVGs slash book dot SVG. Here you can see the name is book dot SVG, and we are done. Just run it, and now you can see the image has been loaded here. You can change the size of this SVG. I prefer SVG images because you can change the color, their size, and without affecting the resolution. So height I have gave 250, and width is also 250, and run the app. Now you can see I have changed the size of my image, and now I will wrap this with single child scroll view. I will tell you about this later in this video, that why I have implemented it to show you something. Now just remove the container. It's unnecessary container I have used. It's here. Okay, I have removed it, and that's it. Yeah, I have to also use the SafeArea. So basically we use SafeArea because some of the mobile phone has speakers here, and because of this the app bar will be covered. That's why you have to use SafeArea to resize it automatically. And now we will add it in center widget, and now you can see it's in center. Now I will tell you that why I have used the single child scroll view, just to show you something. So before this I have to give it a color, and I have to wrap it in a container again. And where is container? It's here. Click on this and there is our container. Colors dot colors dot teal. Yes, where is it? It's here. Okay, it's done. Now when I will run it, you can see that single child scroll view is responsible for this to cover the area according to the widgets which we have added in our column. When I will remove this single child scroll view, it will cover the whole body of the app. Now see, this was the thing that I have used the single child scroll view to show you this. And now what we are going to do, we will use outline button, because in previous videos we have used the elevated button, but now I will show you the outline button. And in child I have added text, sign in, yeah. And now you can see that this is the button having outline. And for style we have attribute style, and the name of the button outline button dot style form, and there is foreground color colors dot white. Yeah, it will be more visible. And now you can check the text color has been changed. Now I want to change the border color as well, so I have attribute with the name of sides, and it takes border side. It has the attribute colors dot white, and we are done. Now you can see that the sides of our button has been changed, and this was now if you want to change the size of your button, so we have minimum size. It takes the size widget, and the first one will be the width and the second one will be the height. So I have added 100 and 50, 40 will be better, yeah, but the width is not okay, so I will change it to 150, and now it's looking better. So after this I want to introduce you with another type of button, and it's let me comma and type text button. Why it's giving error? Yeah, it's finishing here. Okay, text button and empty function, and child has again the widget text, and it will be sign up and we are done. Now let me run it. You can see there is another button which is filled. It has no outline, and let give it a style, and the name of the button text button dot style form. And here I will add the background color should be white. Yes, white will look good. And the foreground color should be the teal, colors dot teal. And that's it. Now you can see that the color has been changed, but I want to change the size as well. So we have minimum size, where it is, yeah, I have to write it here inside the style form, minimum size. So it takes the size and 150 and 40, and we are done. Now you can see that it has been changed. And now I want to wrap it in the padding to give it a bit padding, and that's it. And after that I want to change the size of this image. Let's make it 40, and the width as well, 400, sorry, not 40, and it's looking better. Now I also want to wrap the outline button into padding, and only I want to give it the padding from the top. Let's make it 30, how it's looking. I think I should give more padding to it, and let's make it 60. 60. Yes, now it's looking better. I also want to remove this app bar. Where it is? It's here. Okay, remove it, and now it's looking more good. And so this was all about today's video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.